the Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Andaman Nicobar Directorate takes great pleasure in presenting to you the unique state of Tamil Nadu. It will be prudent that at the outset we present you the geography of the state, followed by the history, cultural heritage, economy, development and society. We would also like to introduce you to the famous personalities who have blessed the soil of Tamil Nadu with their contributions towards the nation in all walks of life. Tamil Nadu is in the southernmost tip of peninsular India and has a history that dates back thousands or more years. It is a land where tradition and culture blend and people continue to live in harmony. The state abounds in monuments and temples that are ancient and each has its own story of religious, artistic, culture and history waiting to be uncovered. Tamil Nadu has a long coastal line that stretches nearly 1,000 kilometers. The Coromandel coast along the Bay of Bengal boasts many ideal locations of sun and sun. There are hill stations with many breathtaking sights that will please you and hold you spellbound about Tamil Nadu. The Tamil language became approved as classical language in 2007. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Pondicherry form part of Tamil Nadu Directorate. Andaman is known for its breathtaking scenic beaches and thick forest cover. The famous cellular jail is located here. Pondicherry, being an ex-French colony, is patronized by the French government and has the famous Aravinda Ashram visited by tourists from all over the world. Geography. Tamil Nadu extends between 8° 4' north latitude and 78° east longitude. It is situated on the southeastern side of the Indian peninsula and covers the southeastern coast. It is bounded by the Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal in the east and south, while it shares its land borders with Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Tamil Nadu has a total area of 130,000 square kilometers. The northernmost point of Tamil Nadu is Pulicat Lake and at the southernmost tip is the Cape Comoros. Topography. Tamil Nadu has a unique blend of mountains, forests, fertile plains and dry arid regions in its coast. The mountainous region is known as Kuriji, so named after the famous flower which blossoms once in 12 years. The forest region is known as Bullai, which presently covers Nellai, Dharmaburi, Salem and parts of Coimbatore district. Margam is a fertile region and generally covers the Kaveri basin. The coastal region is known as Neythal, whereas Palai is mostly dry arid region. Rivers. The important rivers of Tamil Nadu are Kaveri, Pala, Vaigai and Tambrabaran. Since the state is bounded on the western side by the Western Ghats, which keeps out the monsoon, southern Tamil Nadu is generally very dry, while the northern part of the state is heavily dependent on river Kaveri, both for human consumption as well as for irrigation. The history of Tamil Nadu dates back to more than 6,000 years. The early phase of Tamil Nadu is dominated by the rule of 4 major dynasties, namely the Cheras, the Cholas, the Pandyas and the Pallavas. The Tamil country was ruled from the capitals located at Vanji, Urayur and Madurai. Thiruvalluvar, the master of didactic poetry, wrote Thirukkural, which is called as Ulakam Poduvarai, is a masterpiece of social and moral ethics which is relevant even more in the present day world. In his memory, a huge statue of 133 feet has been built in Kanyakumari. Tourists flock this area to witness the confluence of 3 seas, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal, and to watch the sunrise and sunset. Ilangovadigal composed the great epic Silappadigaram, in which the devoted wife Kannaki sets Madurai ablaze when where their husband Kovalan was unjustly accused of stealing the queen's anklets.
என் காட்சியில் உள்ளது முத்து பற்கள் அல்ல, மாணிக்க பற்களே. சந்தேகம் என்றால் இதோ உடைத்து காண்பிக்கிறேன் பார். என் கணவனா கல்வன் அல்ல, நீயே கல்வன். நீதி தவறிய உனக்கு மணிமணி எதற்கு? என் கண்கள் பற்றி எரிவது போல் இந்த மதுரை மாநகரமே பற்றி எரியட்டும், பற்றி எரியட்டும், பற்றி எரியட்டும்.
The Meda's presidency became Meda's state in 1947 and finally in 1968 the present state Tamil Nadu was carved out. Freedom struggle. Tamil Nadu has contributed immensely to the freedom struggle movement of India. Pulisevan was the first to raise his voice against the British. His bravery inspired many other people all over the state to stand up against the harassment committed by the British. The contribution of Y.V. Swaminathan Iyer, Tirupur Kumaran, V.O. Chidambaram, Velu Kambi, Velu Nastiyar, Marudu Brothers, and Subramania Bharatiyar are equally praiseworthy. The local ruler from Panchalakurchi giving vent to his fury against taxers. It must be mentioned here that Kattaboman was hanged by the Britishers for his refusal to subservient to the British.
என்னோட வயலுக்கு வந்தாயா, நாட்டு நட்டாயா, தலை பறித்தாயா? How dare you fight in Rector?
Of rich cultural heritage. Let's begin with the classical dance, Bharatanatyam. This dance is a combination of various attributes that comprises the dance form. Bharatanatyam is derived from the word bhava, meaning expression. Ra meaning raga. Ta means tala, and then the natyam. The other famous dance forms are Karagata. Manguile, Ponguile, Seri Vana Kelu, Samala Ida Seri Varu Nadu Enga Nadu. Manguile, Ponguile, Seri Varu Nadu Enga Nadu. Muthu Muthu Kannadana, Sivana Kinnala. Manguile, Ponguile, Seri Varu the strength and stamina of the participants. Tamil Nadu is famous for its contribution to the world of classical music. Empress Subbulakshmi is the world-famous personality of Carnatic music. The contributions of Tyagaraja Bhagavathar, Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan, Empress Vishwanathan, Isaignani Ilayaraja, and the Oscar-winner A.R. Rahman are in the minds of everyone and everywhere. Festivals. Tamil Nadu has a large number of festivals. Pongal is the harvest festival, which is celebrated in the month of January. During this festival, they cook rice with jaggery known as Pongal and serve it to the sun god. Jallikattu, bull control, is a major event during this festival. Most famous Jallikattu takes place at Alangaranur, near Madurai. It is used as means to demonstrate the strength and stamina of the participants. Despite being a dangerous sport, it has a very wide appeal among not only the people of Tamil Nadu, but also the people from all over the world. Festival is the most important festival celebrated in Madurai every year during the Tamil month Chittirai, Navaratri, Kartigai Deepam, Deepavali, Deepavali, Christmas, Easter Day, Ramzan, Bakrid, and Miladi Nabi. Suicide. The staple food of Tamil Nadu is rice. The food items using rice and dal are idli, dosai, sambar, chutney, vadai, pongal, payasam, and puliyogare. The best pattern of Tamil Nadu is dictated by the weather, and traditional dress of Tamil Nadu is dhoti for men and sari for women. Holy places. Tamil Nadu is known as the land of temples. In ancient periods, the pious ruler gave lot of importance for architecture and built magnificent temples. Jagadishwara Temple at Tanjavur was built by Rajaraja Chola, which is an outstanding example of Chola architecture. The world famous Meenakshi Amman Temple in Madurai, with its covering gopuras and grand sculptures, is another evidence. Rameshwaram Temple is one of the four dhams and abode of Lord Shiva. Kanchipuram Temple, Rockford Temple at Trichy, Srirangam Temple, Kabaleshwar Temple, Parthasarathi Temple at Chennai, Mahabalipuram Shore Temple at Mamandapuram, Kumbakonam Temple, Palani Temple, Tiruchendur, Tiruvannamalai temples are prime examples. The Mata temple at Srivilliputturu became the logo of Tamil Nadu. Religious tolerance. Similarly, Nagur Dargah is a place of worship for the Muslims. The town of Mount Church and Velankanni Church have religious importance for the Christians.
பிதாசுதன் பரிசுத்த ஆவியின் பெயராலே ஆமென். அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும் வரஹ்மத்துல்லாஹி
Handicrafts. The handicrafts of Tamil Nadu are world renowned. The major items of handicrafts include pottery, brace work, gold and silver work, and other items. Most of these are confined to the cottage industry. Economy and development. Agriculture is the main occupation of the rural masses. We cultivate rice, tea, cashew, sugarcane, cotton, spices, and fruits. Coimbatore is also known as the Manchester of Tamil Nadu. Some of the finest quality of silk in the world are made in Kanchipuram. Tirupur is known for its textile garments. Industry. In Tamil Nadu, there are some exclusive industrial centers like Chennai for software industries, Dharmapuri for garment and textile industry, Salem for steel industry, Neyveli lignite corporations, Salpakam and Kudankulam nuclear plants. A boon to Tamil Nadu. Generation of electricity by vegetables at RLY comprises 50% of coaches. 50% of coaches of railways are constructed in the integral coach factory at Perambur in Chennai. 11% of total salt production in our country is produced in Tamil Nadu. Sivakasi, otherwise known as Chota Japan, is famous for firework industry. Development and welfare. The governance in Tamil Nadu is one of the best in the country. Under the able guidance of Karmaveeran Kamarajar, the Note Team scheme was firstly introduced in Tamil Nadu. Although large number of welfare schemes have been launched, which are now being emulated by other states too. Some of these are free bus passes for the students, free education up to 12th standard, supply of bicycles and laptops, scholarships to the students, supply of free books and other assistance to promote the literacy level of Tamil Nadu. Government has also established 22 universities in Tamil Nadu for higher education. It has helped to increase the literacy rate up to 78%. There are 573 engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu which provide an opportunity to the students from the other states to pursue their engineering education. We have an officers training academy at Chennai, GSSC in Wellington, and sand factory situated at Comet. Famous personalities. Tamil Nadu has contributed famous personalities in all walks of life. Sir C.V. Raman, the Nobel winner, Rajaji, S.R. Ranganathan, Chandrasekhar, R.K. Narayan, Srinivasa Ramanujan, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, also known as the father of artists, are some of the famous personalities of Tamil Nadu. Eminent personalities of the armed forces are General P.P. Kumaramangalam, P.V., DSO, FB, General Sundar G, PVSM, General P. Padmanabhan, PVSM, Air Chief Marshal Srinivasapuram Krishnaswamy, PVSM, AVSM, BM, Admiral Sushil Kumar. Famous personalities of the film industry are Shivaji Ganeshan, MGR, Gemini Ganeshan, Padma Shri Kamal Haasan, Kamingya Kannadasan, Director Maniratnam, Bairamuthu, Isayani Ilayaraja, and the Oscar winner A.R. Rahman. Important personalities are Black Actor Vishwanathan Anand, hockey player Tata Srikanth, singer Srikanth, and Balaji, and Formula One racer Narendra Karthikeyan. Wildlife. Tamil Nadu plays host to a large number of flora and fauna. Tamil Nadu is the home to variety of wildlife which are on the endangered list. Vedantangal and Mudumalai and Vandalur Zoo, the Adayaru Snake Park, and the renowned Crocodile Park at Amaravati are few known examples. Tourism. The famous summer hill stations are Ooty, Kodaikanal, Kuttur, and Ekta. The waterfalls in Kuttalam and the Indian Niagara, Hogenakkal Park, and the Marina Beach at Chennai are also well patronized by the tourists. Contribution to True national integration depends only on our best contribution to remind the nation united. In this context, contribution by the following personalities from Tamil Nadu made India a unified India. Contribution to the nation good. It was K. Kamaraj, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, who contributed a lot in elevating Mrs. Indira Gandhi as Prime Minister of India on the passing away of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Dr. C. Rajarajan, the Chairman of 13th Finance Commission, and Dr. Raja Chellaya on the other academicians who made proud of this nation. Dear cadets, with this, we come to an end of this journey through the Tamil Nadu. We sincerely hope that we would have been sufficiently motivated to come and enjoy the various aspects of the wonderful state of Tamil Nadu.
Memoria, வாழி வாழியவே தமிழ் வாழிய வாழியவே தமிழ் வாழிய வாழியவே தமிழ் வாழிய வாழியவே வாழியவே